Hello everybody, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to share with you some few tips on how to work with Flutter to make your Flutter app a little bit better. Like for example, how to change how to put how to set your Flutter app in portrait mode or landscape mode. This is just a simple mode, and before you do that you have to import setting package, which I've already done it. This is the package. So from here, like for example, if I want to type, you want to make landscape, you see how to landscape right, landscape left. So you have to use both of them. But in this video, I've used both portrait up and portrait down. Like so, if for example, if I turn the app, it will still remain the same. So it's not going to turn upside down like it used to. So that is it. And the second one is how to change your status app bar and your bottom navigation bar. Like for example, let me just put here, like, let me change this color. Let me run the app again. You see the color have changed. So if you want to bring it back to 900 the way it was before, so have you seen how to change it? You can change all this color, all this brightness, just play around with it. This is just a simple code. From there you can just come widget view content context. So from here you can just type it where you have your return scaffold. You can just put both of the widget together and everything will work. And don't forget to import package. So this is just a simple package, and everything we have just talked about. These are all the simple widgets, and they are independent. They are not combined. You can choose to use this one. You can choose to use this one, whatever it is that you choose. It is up to you. So guys, thank you for watching. Love and share this video. Until then, see you guys. And if you are new here, please subscribe to this channel for more video to inspire you to move along with your programming career and build beautiful apps, beautiful website. And until then, have a beautiful day.